Welcome to Meatball Magic, where cooking meets fun. Today we're diving into a mouth-watering adventure as we guide you through creating the perfect meatballs. Imagine the aroma filling your kitchen as you craft these savory delights. Throughout this tutorial, we'll share every tip and trick to ensure your meatballs are not just delicious, but unforgettable. So grab your apron and get ready to impress your taste buds. Here's a sneak peek of the scrumptious meatballs you'll soon master. Stick with us and let's make cooking an exciting journey. Up next, we'll gather everything you need to get started. Let's dive into the heart of our recipe by gathering all the ingredients you'll need. Start with fresh ground beef, the foundation of our meatballs. Add breadcrumbs for structure and eggs to bind everything perfectly. Don't forget your favorite spices. They add irresistible flavor. With these ingredients, you're well on your way to crafting a delicious dish. Each component plays a critical role in ensuring both taste and texture. Ready to start cooking? Let's move on to mixing everything into our flavorful masterpiece. Now that we've gathered all our ingredients, it's time to bring them together. Place your ground beef, breadcrumbs, eggs and spices into a large bowl. Use your hands to mix thoroughly, ensuring each meatball is packed with flavor. As you blend, feel the texture change under your fingertips. It's important for an even mix. Once satisfied, shape the mixture into small balls. Consistency is key, so take your time to make each one similar in size, helping them cook evenly later. Shaping them should feel satisfying, like crafting little spheres of deliciousness. With each step, you're closer to enjoying a homemade treat. Up next, we'll heat things up and turn these raw creations into golden, mouth-watering meatballs ready to savor. Stick around as we continue this tasty journey. Now it's time to bring those meatballs to life. Heat a generous drizzle of oil in your pan. Once the oil shimmers, gently place your meatballs in. Listen to the satisfying sizzle as they meet the heat. Cook them patiently, turning each one to achieve a beautiful golden brown all over. We want them cooked through, so give them the time they deserve. This step is crucial for that perfect bite, with a crispy outside and tender, juicy inside. Watch as your kitchen fills with a delightful aroma, promising deliciousness to come. Your meatballs are now ready for the spotlight, cooked to golden perfection. Let's get ready to plate these beauties and share them with family and friends. Stay tuned for the final touches that will make your dish unforgettable. Remember, cooking is not just about following steps, it's about enjoying every moment of the process. And there you have it, the perfect batch of delicious meatballs, ready to savor and share. Just imagine serving these at your next gathering or enjoying them on a cozy night in. We invite you to try this recipe at home and experience the magic yourself. Remember, cooking is all about experimenting and enjoying the process. If you loved this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun and tasty recipes. Stay tuned for more culinary adventures and keep cooking with confidence. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appetit!